Welcome back, guys. This is SP Pistons, and today it's beautiful outside, so I wanted to see about. I was going to take a break off of this thing for right now because if you guys see my carburetor, I didn't record that, but I didn't record this, but I did put another carburetor on. I didn't feel like uploading it, but I did put a carburetor on. I feel like I should have recorded me putting on the carburetor, unless you want me to just take this all back off and put it back on. I'm just joking, guys. No, I'm not gonna do that. But if you see my one video of me kind of like taking this apart, taking this off the lawnmower, it was a lot of. Actually, I don't know if I should show that, but I showed you all me doing something with the carburetor. I don't remember. Anyways, I got the carburetor back on. That's amazing. And that, yeah, I was thinking about deleting my gaming videos. I've been thinking about it, like, maybe should I keep them? But those videos, like, was a long time ago. Yeah, those videos were, like, a long time ago. So I was thinking about getting rid of them. You know what? I was thinking about, like, doing something with my lawnmower today. Like, I got charged, and then I gotta find why. I gotta find out why my lights keep draining my battery. And you all might be thinking, am I gonna work on lawnmowers for my life? The answer to that question is no. But the reason why I'm working on them now is because I plan, when I get a little older, I plan on trying to start, like, I was just planning on just keep using this YouTube channel and just starting to do more things, stuff, maybe go hunting, I don't know. Just if YouTube's around long enough. But anyways, I was thinking about going and kind of have fun working on cars when I get older. And obviously, this shop ain't the biggest shop ever, so I mean, it's good. I'll fit a car in here, but still ain't that much room. We used to have 2 garage doors, like behind right there, all that stuff. That used to be a garage door, and now it's not. Now this is our main garage door. Anyways, I want to go charge up my lawnmower because I want to find out. I got a toolbox up there. So I want to find out why my wiring and stuff keep dying. Because my wiring keeps draining my battery. So maybe I gotta put a fuse on it. That's probably my idea, is put another fuse on it. By the time at the end of the video is going to tired of me selling this jumper box. And 1 second, guys. It's good out here. See, it's so nice out here. Hey. Hey, dog. So nice out here. See, here's my taillights I hooked up. I wasn't recording on my phone like I was. I'll show you how dead it is. See, I got the brakes already on. See, if I put on the lights, oh, there ain't no morphine. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's completely dead. No light. She won't even turn over. Now, let's see about the lights. You guys can see there's a little bit of light. A little bit. If you just look them closely, look a little bit of shine, but yeah, I can get charge this. That's water in the engine. I don't like that. See, I was thinking about putting cover over that. Also, you probably got my battery points I need to clean too. No, ain't looking bad. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that today. That is not looking good at all. You guys can see that's not good. I put a light on it. I'm not gonna do much. She is dead. I'm gonna go back in the garage and get some to clean it up. She is not. Or I mean not she. I call it a he. But I don't know what to believe nowadays. Look a wide brush. Not looking so great. Is there another one? No, that's not a brush. Let's use that. My lawnmower needs clean. Get a little bit of dust on me. I'm coming on this side. There's like pines in my battery cable. Anyways, see, there is where all my wires are hooked up for my taillights. Maybe that's a bad idea to have these hooked up. Probably get a pair of pliers and just push these. It's running my battery dead. I gotta get me like a fuse on it. So if I follow my wires that are actually literally hooked up to this. See, these are hooked up into the taillights, hooked them up into this bracket with the fuel pump. And none of this is the problem. Like I said, just my battery keeps dying. Maybe it's time for me to get a different battery. Is that water or acid? It's just water. Better not be acid, because then I'll have to wash my hand. Let's follow my wires here. Maybe I need to change the fuse. First of all, I gotta find my fuse. Should be in there somewhere. Oh, look what I found. I found a screwdriver. Very nice. All the time it's better my lawnmower's in good condition. I'll make sure to take that back in the garage. Never leave your tools out. So here where it comes from all the way over here, down there. Goes up the into the solenoid. I don't know what this wire is, so if anybody can help me figure out what this wire is, I don't know where that one goes to. Oh, I see it. So this wire goes down, hooks up over into that thing, then goes into my switch. That's for the thing. But one thing also I got just under there is that that has kind of been chewed on. Then here we go, comes down in here, and it goes down under. And like I said, my fuse, it's somewhere in here. Maybe someone took out my fuse. Now one thing I see right off the bat, oh, and I just pulled that off or something. I think I'll pull that off that green wire. Well, can't really see. One second, guys, while I just struggle with this wire. And I got it. Okay. Now I came across this thing. I don't know where that came from. Which means I gotta hook it up somewhere and I don't know where to hook it up to. And my fuse, I don't see it. It's down there somewhere. Maybe it's under the thing. There it is. I found it. Ooh, it got some pinch in it. This is my fuse. I don't think you'll see it very good, but it's down there. And by looking at it, it got some pinch in it. So it's been pinched somehow. Instead of wasting time doing about this, yeah, it's been twisted. It's been twisted. What's that fuse? Is that fuse any good? Maybe it's time to change fuse. Could be blown. Just pull this fuse out. Found the fuse. I think it is time for a new fuse, actually. No. Well, I'll have to find a new fuse. Okay, yeah, it's time for a new fuse. That looks blown. I'm gonna go in the garage. It's a 30 amp. So I think it is time for a new fuse. If you guys can just see. We'll put on the light. To me, it looks like I'm gonna have to get another fuse. That's what it looks like to me, because my lawnmower is dead. Just don't want to charge, apparently. And that's an issue for me. Well, I'm gonna put this one back in it, because I don't know if we got any more 30 amps. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in right now. And I'm pretty sure it goes up like that. But if you kind of look, it does kind of flow. It does look like it's blown, but I'm about to find a new fuse. I ain't got no fuse on me right now. Let's start looking here. Maybe. I mean, there's a few for the box over there. 22. I don't know if we got any fuses. I mean, I could check in the tow truck. Get your keys laying around. Oh, that's cool. Got more of these connecting things. Let's use those, actually. That's good. So I can use those on some wiring and stuff. Well, I don't think I got any fuses. So I'm just going to have to go ahead and put this back in and charge my lawnmower and hope it will start up. Guessing it was up like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. Then we're gonna talk about it. You all probably won't be able to see me putting in the fuse, but that's okay. I'm gonna put my hand down in here. No, it was a fuse. Okay, I got the new fuse in. I'm gonna go ahead and get the battery and we're gonna try to start it. Okay guys, I am back. And I'm gonna try to start this thing. I'm gonna have to get me like a stand type of tripod. I think that'd help a lot. Maybe if I don't turn in the lights, it might not did my thing. Okay, there's lead on, or positive on positive. Now you just gotta get negative on negative. Turn that on. Now I'm gonna put this on my seat for obviously reasons. So I don't want it to fall down in my engine. Like not fall literally in mine. But I don't want it to now we're gonna see how much is charged. It's at low. See if it starts. Why does it look like that melted? Nothing. I hope so. Okay, it should be charging. Oh. See. I gotta charge it again. This is not very going on good planning. I am not having a good time right now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take those lights off. I'm gonna have to disconnect those lights. If it's dead again. Listen, I put those lights on and now it's just running dead. not having a good time right now. Full. Alright, finally got this on. I think it's time for me to get another battery. Oh, that's why battery ain't on charge. Those lights on again. Yeah, they're working, but the lights keep running my lawnmower dead. The thing is, it keeps running my lawnmower dead. Yeah, not lawnmower. Running my lawnmower dead, so I gotta fix these. I might have to take those off again and try to put a new fuse on them. Alright. Always just pause this time. Anyways, guys, we'll have a thing. I figured we were going to take this for a little bit of fun. Put it on. Then I'm going to turn it off when I'm done and see if it's going to charge. For some reason it ain't charging. That's an issue because I'll need it to charge. I'm putting 3.6. Something knocking. Anyways, the dog got let loose, so we'll just get it later. I'm not gonna focus on getting the dog right now. Take it around the block for the ground. get him a little bit of time to run. Oh, I left the wire blood. I left this on the ground. Don't want that chair to put a hole in my tire. One second. I'm already through this. Last time I shut off. So I didn't put on the lights right now. I didn't put them on. So I'm hoping it won't get dead again. But it's knocking inside. Maybe it has something to do with right there. Anyways, it's been knocking. Let's see if it'll start up again. Hopefully. There we go. So I'm guessing if we don't turn on the lights, it's not gonna. So I'm gonna have to get a fuse on the lights. So I gotta take those off again. Apparently these are draining my lights. Now I had my lights on for a while, it's not going to start again. But now if I just shut this off, see if I just shut this off, because these lights are draining my battery dead, so I'm going to have to get me a fuse to put on my lawnmower because it keeps dying the lights. See if it starts up again. I think it's time for me to get either a new battery or I put fuse on it. So that's where we at right now. Keeps dying on me, which that's an issue. And I don't like when it keeps dying on me. I gotta take the 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to get this cute back on my loop. Anyways, we're just gonna let this sit for now. I'm gonna have to do something with it. We're gonna take these back inside, along with my battery charger. And I'm dropping this wild bush like I keep doing. We got a dog that's cut loose. Yeah, it's a dog. Anyways, I was thinking about showing you a video of me starting up the rollback someday. Because I'm pretty sure y'all want to hear it run. I'll go around it and I'll show you about it. Anyways, here's tools. I'm going to put these in the toolbox, because these need to be put back in the toolbox. Alright, now since put the tools away. Yeah, like I said, my lawnmower's either gonna get a new battery, 2, put a fuse for the lights. Maybe while I'm in here, I might just change the spark plugs out. Maybe not. I don't know if those are the light spark plug. I don't know if that's the light spark plug. What size is it? Well, I'm gonna go take out this spark plug of this lawnmower real quick. I'm gonna just put right over here while you guys can see. Then I'll show you around the tow truck. The box in the way. Y'all should be able to see that. Let's go ahead and get that off and put a new spark plug on. Hopefully I get the light spark plug thing. Right there. Nope. We gotta find the spark plug thing. Spark plug socket. I think to get the one down here. It's 2 down here. I'm guessing it's a 5/8. Let's see. Nope. Not bigger than a 5/8. No, that's ain't it. That. So it must be a 13/16. Yep. And we're going to be using this ratchet. I hope you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can. Oh, that'll be tighten it. We just pull this one out. Oh. That's just loosening up the cap. Yeah, well, I'm going to put this spark plug on it. It's a lawnmower spark plug, so this should work. That is black. Put that on my way. And now we just put it in there. Now we just get it, push it in there, snug it. So it's good because I want to tighten it too. Well, now it won't be able to run, but I just want to tighten it up. We'll put a nice spark plug on in it, so that part's done. That way it's not the way like that. Now for your those warnings about the story about my foot. Yeah, well, I deleted that video yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, I deleted the video, so you won't be able to find it no more. I just like that video. But right now I got a new spark plug on it. Just put it. It's a little quick. It'll take like a few minutes. Spark plug's not that hard. Now I'm gonna show you a truck that one day I hope to do. So I asked my dad if I can start it. I mean, yeah, it is basically mine, sort of. I mean, my dad's giving it to me. I don't try to keep my videos so long. Like, if I wanted to do an hour, I'd probably have to get a GoPro. Well, yeah. Said file didn't download, something like that. This is it. It's a V8 Ford F350 V8 gas. It's a tow truck. Got towing and repair on it. Don't come ask me if this truck is for sale. No, it's not for sale. It's my dad's truck. It's in my dad's name, obviously. Put a new tire on it because the tire was dry rotted. You can see it doesn't really match, but it's okay. My here's a little messy. And I've been getting copyrights on some of my videos. Because I got a YouTube studio. It keeps track of all my videos and stuff. Anyways, I've been getting copyrights on it. Probably for the intro. So I went through and got another intro. Because I don't want to be banned from YouTube. And if I'm banned from YouTube, I can't do it. So, I'm going to go ahead and... I got another intro I'm going to put up here because I think my other intros... If you've seen my carburetor one, I'm going to have to take out the ending point too. Well, I'll probably try to make one, like find another app to do that. So I can make like a intro, which I think I can use the same type of platform. Yeah, I'm going to use the same type of platform. And I'm just going to put like, subscribe, and all that. Now, if you all want to know what platform I use Mojo. It's a pretty good. Maybe one day I'll go through it. But anyway, that's why I manage my YouTube video stuff. Now, it don't come with all the intros I do is not on it. Like, I downloaded some other intros and kind of made on that. I also got my account hooked up to the computer. So if I can get my camera, like I have a camera, it's dead right now. But if I delete some videos and pictures, things I don't need, then I can use that. I can use that one, and then I can start recording for like hours and hours and stuff, and it'll be pretty cool. And then I don't have to use my phone. Which one thing is I don't trust this tripod I got, cause it's very cheap. Like my one over here, I don't know what's in. You guys can see it. It's right in the corner right there. And maybe an upcoming video I'll record me putting on these caps on the tow truck. Because it needs these caps on. Anyways, this one is, I love this tripod. I really did love it. It was the best type of home quarter. It was very nice. Very, but as you can see, it broke. I just throwed it. Anyways, I gotta put on these caps one day, clean them up and put on these caps, which one time I'll record me doing that. These are very disgusting. I mean, not disgusting, but greasy and dirty. Some might say, do I mind getting my hands dirty? No, I do not mind. Anyways, we just gotta get a tire for this one. This tire does not go to this lawnmower at all. We just put it there. This is what it actually is. I didn't show this. Yeah. But this is what it is. It's a Husky 13 horsepower. That's what it is. How many, it's for like Husky. It's a Husky powered by Tusculum, something like that. I don't know. I can't spell that. Read that. Anyways, this is a cover for this lawnmower engine. And we still gotta think of what to do with that engine. I don't know what to do with it. I guess right now we're just taking parts off of it, put on this engine. And I was working on this, but I didn't show a video of it. Just won't work as good as I want it to. See, I got all the wires. It ain't moving these at all. It's not moving these at all. Now if I do that, I mean, it won't shut. I think, like my cousin said, probably would have to cut this down. It's probably a little bit too long. And this thing don't want to work properly. No matter what I do. And this is the SP garage. Well, it's my dad's and mine and my other brothers. But this is what garage I have to work in. Cool garage, right? Now, you know what I was thinking about? You know, up there, I was thinking about cleaning that out and making an office up there. It'd be so cool if I just clean that out, put a thing up there, and make that an office. I was gonna make that an office up there, but overpowered with stuff, and which I might do that. I might make an office up there. I mean, there's a lot over there I can use. And here's the Husky lawnmower, L2 LT 4200, but I'm gonna have to get new headlights for it and stuff. This lawnmower was some work. I was hoping to get it done by like this week, but one problem is I don't think it's going to be done this week like I was hoping it would be, so we can hurry up and get out of the garage. When we start this thing up, we're gonna work on getting a starter for it. When we start this lawnmower, test drive it, I'm hopefully gonna record that moment of me starting it up and driving it out, moving it out here. I hope to be doing that in the future. It's not good. I'm gonna let you on a little secret. It's gonna take a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. Thought I can just put it together real quick, but since this ain't the exact engine for this lawnmower, just means I'll have to do a little bit work around here and there and make things work. Engineering, something like that. Anyways, that word means trying to make things work. Making a part or thing that makes it work. And that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to make things to work for this engine so I can record me moving this engine out of here. It'd be a really good time if I could just start this up and just drive right out. And then we're going to end up selling this lawnmower. We're not keeping it. The reason why we got this lawnmower is to sell it. Fix it up, sell it. Now, my other lawnmowers, we're not going to sell them. I mean, I got my brothers out there. We're not going to sell any of them. But then we might go try to find another lawnmower. Do the same with that one. Hopefully, or like just fix it up and get rid of it. Now, one thing is how you can find lawnmowers. All you gotta see, this motor, we found it. Like, we found a lawnmower that this was actually for this motor. But the frame, I don't have any pictures, but the frame was all rusted out, holes in it. So, one day I was going to record that and put that possibly on my channel. But one thing is, you got people in my family that kind of mess it up, so I didn't do it. But anyways, I pulled that engine off, and that engine runs. When we get a new start, I'll show it once. Look, I got a little crack in it, or not a crack in it, but like a dent. And we gotta get oil for this lawnmower. I plan to get this lawnmower running, and I plan to get it driving. It's gonna be some work, but I plan to get it done. It's gonna be a little bit crazy now and there. Now, when I get a chance to get my actual camera up, so I can download videos on that and send it up, then I can send it to YouTube, and you have probably way better quality than this. I mean, this is pretty good quality camera. Phone. I'm using a phone. If you guys want to know that, I'm using a phone. That's why I got a tripod, which the phone's pretty good. But I want to actually get my camera working, or like it's working, but I just need to get if I can download it, or like get that on the computer, download my images on the computer. I could send them on YouTube, and you'll probably have way better quality than this, way better. And then I can also show like things for like hours, some hours of things. And now that thing over there, we need to get that on. And now that power wash over there needs fixed too. That thing needs run thing. If my brother's not going to do that project, it might be mine, but I just want to get done with this first. And I'm going to probably do a will run on that unless my brother gets to it, which my brother ain't going to record it. He's not going to record him getting running. But this thing is like just step by step by step. And I hope you all take the time to watch my channel, because my channel is pretty good. Now, people may ask me why you changed it. It was Ayo Americans. If you see on some of my videos, I say, "What's up, Ayo Americans?" Well, to me, it kind of sounded like a type of gaming channel. And I got tired of gaming, so I changed it to SP Pistons, which I think that's a better YouTube channel name. And also, it looks pretty good, actually, the logo I made. Now I'm trying not to get copyright, because I don't want to be banned from YouTube. So, I'm going to have to go ahead and get this done. Then I gotta go in app. But anyways, this is a pretty good quality camera. You guys can basically see what I can see. Like, very good. But like all, I still needed to work on this one. And Ayo Americans, it sounded like a gaming gaming. I didn't like it as gaming, and I hope you guys stay to the end of my videos. On my YT Studios, I'm getting that people are not watching for very long. Just help me blow up. I plan to do better and bigger and better things in the future. So just please blow up, or please just not like blow up, but you know what I mean, like into a bigger YouTube channel. Just please help me to blow up. I don't want to be famous or anything. I just want to be blown. Like, I just want to kind of know I'm not wasting my time doing this stuff. Because I still am in school and stuff like that. So, just please hit the subscribe and like, and just help me get up to 5. I'm already 6 subscribers. I started this channel in 2021. This is when I started this channel. It's been past COVID. I mean, it's been around a little bit like COVID. But anyways, I started this channel during that time. I did gaming and stuff like that. But that just got plain on boring to me, so I just stopped gaming. And also, for recording gaming stuff, wasn't very good quality, and it wasn't the best. So I hope you all make sure to like and subscribe to this video. And thank you all for getting me up to like 1,000 views. That was a very cool that I got up to that much. I just want to thank you all, and hope you all like my video, because I just want people to watch. Anyways, I'll see you later, and thank you for watching my video, and goodbye, people. Or goodbye, and make sure to watch more of my channels. Thank you all. Bye.